up, y'all? And we're back. You know it's always so good to see y'all. And guess what time it is? It's time to eat. It's dinner time. Y'all already know. All right, so today, now let me tell y'all a little something. We had like a little cookout yesterday. You know, sometimes we just like doing like random cookouts, really because we be hungry, okay? So I got a little leftovers today from the cookout from yesterday. So we got baked beans with turkey meat. I got a little beef shish kebab, 2 hot dogs, some potato salad, and some homemade pasta salad. Okay, get into it. Hold on, let me let y'all get into it. Because we love leftovers around here, okay? We love a leftover. Leftovers. Leftovers. Get into that. Oh, hold on, y'all might not be able to see that. Y'all see that? Potato salad, hot dogs, a little shish kebab, some baked beans with turkey meat. Yes, indeed. Let's get into it. Y'all already know. But before we start, is you hungry? I know your stomach just a rumbling. Come eat, come eat, come eat, come eat with me. Is you hungry? I know your stomach just a rumbling. Come eat, come eat, come eat, come eat, come eat. Let's get into it. Okay, so what should I get into first? Okay, let's get into the pasta salad. I'm acting like I ain't had this already. Now, what y'all know about pasta salad? Ain't nothing like a good barbecue plate. Now, as y'all can see, I ain't got no hot dog buns. I left the hot dog bun, so I was like, oh. But, hey, we're gonna use hamburger buns today. That's all we're gonna do. Hold on, let me show y'all something. Actually, I may not even need both. Yes, indeed. Use the bottom bun. See how innovative we are? Period. Hold on, press that down like that. Do the other one. That's how you make a hot dog bun, baby. When push comes to shove, use what you got to get to where you're going. Hey, shout out. Amen. Got us a little mudder. Boar's head to be exact. Yes, indeed. Oh, this looks like Dijon mustard. Is this Dijon? Say white wine and horseradish. Okay. Yes, get us some mud on. Some mud. Now let me tell y'all something. Mustard is the only thing that go on hot dogs and sausages. Mustard. Now I used to be, you know, a ketchup guy. Like I used to put ketchup on my stuff, but yeah. My taste buds have been modified. And it's different now. So now when I'm eating a hot dog, baby, mustard is the only thing you're gonna catch. Now let me tell you something. Sometimes I may put a little coleslaw on it. Now coleslaw mustard hit. Now I don't know if y'all know anything about Zestos. That's like a little fast food chain that's here in Atlanta. I don't know if they're still here or still open or have some locations that are still operating. But Zestos is the one that put me on coleslaw and mustard. Mm-hmm. That's good right there. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. It's good right here, y'all. It's not like some leftovers. I'm eating leftovers. I'm gonna eat what I got. I'm eating leftovers. I'm gonna eat what I got. I ain't going to buy no extra food. I'm gonna eat what's up in this room. I'm eating leftovers. I'm gonna eat what I got. Potato salad is a must. Like anytime you're doing a cookout, if you got hot dogs and hamburgers, it's something about potato salad that pairs so well with a hot dog and or a hamburger. But the hamburger and hot dog has to have been on the grill. You can't be no regular hamburger hot dog. You gotta put that bit on the grill first. And then pair it with the potato salad. I'm eating leftovers. I'm gonna eat what I got. Okay, y'all, hold on. All right, y'all, so we got to drink today. What the fuck? God damn. Okay, y'all, I guess we drinking champagne today. Dang. Get into it. And not only are we drinking champagne, orange juice. So you already know what that means. We making a mimosa. Now, okay, I know it's dinner time, but mimosas don't have no time frame on it, baby. I'm not gonna always just drink a mimosa in the morning. Sometimes I feel like drinking a mimosa in the evening time. And it's ain't nothing wrong with it. I don't know who said that mimosas is only for, Hold on, y'all. And this is some good champagne here too. What is it? Right. With a little Minute Maid. You know what? You never can go wrong with Minute Maid. Minute Maid. Minute Maid. Hey. I'm spilling it. Okay. Now I think a mimosa with barbecue is wild, but okay, we do what we want to around here. Get into it. That's what you call a mimosa, baby. Okay, let me put that down. I forgot what this was. It's like a beef teriyaki bob. Mm-hmm. Good. Mm. 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 Y'all. This was dinner. Mm-hmm. I'm a little full. I'm gonna lie to you. Listen. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Especially if you like this video. All right, like I said, drop it down in the comments below. What we eating next? Because y'all know I'm down to eat anything. Okay? Drop it in the comments below. What are we eating next? What do you have a taste for? What's on your food palette? The possibilities are endless. But okay, y'all. If that's all, I gotta get up out of here, okay? Until next time.